In this video, we will show you how to get iPhone 14 Pro's Dynamic Island feature on your Android phone. Please like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Dynamic Island is a replacement for the notch that Apple introduced in iPhone 14 Pro, but you can also get the same feature on your Android phone. With Dynamic Spot as app, you can easily get the Dynamic Island feature on your Android device. Dynamic Spot mini tasking feature making it easier to access recent notifications, call, battery or phone status changes. Here is what you need to do to get a Dynamic Island on your Android smartphone. Open the Google Play Store and type on the search bar Dynamic Spot. Download and install the Dynamic Spot application from Google Play Store. It's a very light and reliable application so that you can use without any hesitation. Now open the application. At first you have to allow few permissions which is required to run in your device. Then you have to select which app can activate the Dynamic Island. Those app notifications will be shown in the Dynamic Island. As Dynamic Island uses Android notification system, it is compatible almost all type of applications like messaging notification, timer apps, even music apps. The most interesting fact is iPhone's Dynamic Island is not customizable, but Dynamic Spot is. You can change interaction settings, select when to show or hide the Dynamic Spot or which app should appear. The developer of Dynamic Spot have made this clear that this application not collect or share any user data, but this app can read your notification including information like contacts, messages and photos. So guys, enjoy the Dynamic Island feature on your Android phone. If you think this video is useful, then like and subscribe our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.